Open house Saturday, February 7, 12 to 2 p.m. Enter under the arched porch into the naturally lit entryway and choose, will you walk forward into the living room featuring expansive windows overlooking the woods, brand new carpet and an elegant fireplace flanked by built-in display shelves? Or should you turn left and enter the spacious main floor primary bedroom with brand new carpet? This bedroom has 2 pocket door closets with built-ins for shoes and clothing, perfect for all your clothing needs. The en-suite full bathroom is complete with a soaking tub, tiled shower with a bench seat and 2 separate sink areas. Or should you turn right into the dining room with the impressive cherry hardwood floors? Off the dining room is a dry sink entry leading you into a modern kitchen complete with pantry, corner bread box, lovely glass cupboard.